We're at 1846 Autumn Gold. This property has 5 bedrooms and 1 office downstairs.
This is a 2-story home which has recently been renovated. You've got upgraded countertops, cabinets, flooring, and new paint.
You're gonna absolutely love this property, so what we're gonna do is jump right in. We're at 1846 Autumn Gold. This property has 5 bedrooms upstairs. It does have an office downstairs. We are in Silverado Ranch. This is a great location, a quiet neighborhood, and it also is near St. Rose Hospital and Target. We're gonna go right inside. Wasn't that a beautiful home? This property is situated in Silverado Ranch, where there's restaurants and Target, and there's the hospital, the St. Rose Hospital right here as well.
This home is located inside of a homeowners association due with a low HOA of $40 a month.
So we're gonna go ahead and recap. This property has 5 bedrooms. It also has 1 office downstairs, has 3 fireplaces, and 3 bathrooms. So if you like this property or anything else, our information is right here. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.